Hi, my name is Anna, and in this video I'll show how to sew such lace Brazilian panties with rings. Watch this tutorial till the end and you'll see how these panties fit me. We will need elastic lace, my pattern, link in the description below the video, two rings, cotton jersey, and elastic band. After printing out the pattern, it needs to be glued together. I just join all the lines without cutting anything. This point should match the beginning of the festoon on the lace. We cut the second part identically to the first, repeating the pattern on the lace, face inwards. This point should match the beginning of the festoon on the lace. And again, we search for the same pattern on the lace and cut the second part facing inwards. Join the two pieces in the center with an overlock stitch. And join these two pieces in the center. After sewing, the seam should be pressed to one side. Measure the required length of the elastic band without stretching it. Leave small ends of the elastic band on the edges for easy sewing. Place the elastic band on the front side of the lace, festoon side down. Sew a zigzag stitch close to the festoon. One needle puncture goes into the festoon, the other into the middle of the elastic band. Cotton gusset facing up, front piece facing up, and lace gusset facing down. First I match the middle, then I pin the pieces on the edges. The cotton piece is narrower than the lace on the edges. Make an overlock stitch. This step may seem difficult to beginners. The panties should be folded face inwards, the cotton part facing down. Overlock stitch. Now you need to fold over the elastic band and do a zigzag stitch. But first I'm going to secure the cotton piece with a hand stitch. Make a zigzag stitch starting close to the edge without a festoon to the center of the elastic band. Reduce the length at the waist by 10% and add 3 cm. This is the seam allowance for rings 1.5 cm from each edge. I mark the center of the elastic band and align it with the back seam. I align the 1.5 cm marks with the edges. The festoon of the elastic band points downward. Sew a zigzag stitch close to the festoon. Stretch only the elastic band, do not stretch the lace. Carefully cut off a couple of millimeters of lace without touching the elastic band. Lace facing up, elastic band with festoon down. Pull in the elastic band, sew a zigzag stitch close to the festoon. Pull the elastic band through the ring and then turn it to the wrong side. Sew a zigzag stitch close to the edge of the elastic band without the festoon. The only thing left to do is to make the securing stitches next to the rings. And here's the final result on me. These panties are very comfortable and look attractive. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel and see new videos.